Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is another 30-minute easy meal because that's what you guys seem to love. So I've chosen a recipe from 30-Minute Indian and it's a really unusual dish. It's veg and egg noodles. So this is a really easy midweek meal you can share and enjoy. The cabbage and peppers make a lovely combination with the sauces and noodles, and the eggs add flavor and nutrition as well. So super simple, obviously. Before I start cooking, can you please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe, which is very often, twice a week at least. Right, so for this I'm going to cook the vegetables first and also on the side start cooking the noodles so it comes together really quickly. So I'm going to use an onion, a green pepper, red pepper, and heart cabbage or hispy cabbage if you can get hold of this, because it's really kind of not sweet, but it's a milder flavor, and that's what I love about it. But you can use normal cabbage as well. So I'm just going to use a little piece of this. Nice hot pan. A couple of tablespoons of, I'm using rapeseed oil, but you could use, like I said, any oil of your choice. In goes the onions. And this literally needs 5 minutes of softening up. Don't want color on it, just softening up. Onions are looking lovely. It's time to add our hispy cabbage. And to help get a light kind of caramelized color, I'm going to throw in a bit of sugar. Just half a teaspoon or so. So 4 minutes in, it's actually looking lovely. You can see little bits of color on there and it's softened down really nicely. So I'm going to throw in the peppers now and cook this for another 5 minutes. The water is bubbling away. I'm using 4 noodle cubes for 4 people, and this only needs 3 minutes to cook. So just read the instructions of the noodle pack and cook accordingly. I'm going to try and keep it slightly al dente. I love this charred bit because I think that is what adds that flavor. Oh, look at that. That's going to be so delicious. You can use any sort of noodles you like. I'm using egg noodles. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of light soy sauce. A tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar or white vinegar, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Just a mix. Now I'm going to add this to our vegetables. So now is the fun bit. So I'm going to make room for 4 eggs. I've reduced the heat now. Make sure you're not cooking this on high heat. Now we cover and cook this for around 6 minutes to let the eggs cook. The timer has just gone off, so that means that our eggs should be ready. How exciting! Wow! Look at that! And you could just finish it with a few chili flakes if you like. This smells so good, and I'm going to keep saying that in every video till they kind of invent smell-o-vision or something like that sort. I haven't had breakfast and I am so excited for this lunch of mine. This is such a simple, delicious and very healthy midweek recipe. And all you have to do is scoop a portion out for yourself from the corner with the egg intact. Wow. This is so exciting. Oh, so good. So good. Yeah, it is really delicious. Wow. If you want more eggs per person, you can obviously add more. And yeah, it's kind of set, but it's still runny in the middle, which is perfect for extra flavor. I really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. And for all those people who are going to ask me for a written recipe, you can find it in my book 30-Minute Indian, which is packed with easy midweek meal ideas. See you next week for another new recipe. Don't forget, join me then. Bye for now. Ooh, I'll make a cup of coffee and enjoy this delicious lunch.